So I was about to do some receiving of stock for in a testing environment, and I thought, well, why don't we just create a video and show you how that workflow works? So we're going to do that. So basically what I realized, well, let's just go here and we'll go and have a look at our stock items and the item that we're dealing with. And I'm going to receive a blue bike, and we'll go through the process, and we'll also then look at Sage so that you can see how Sage has worked with the transactions. Okay, so this bike made from kit, sorry, not blue bike, this bike made from kit, we have 20. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's just go here, we're going to put this down, we're going to go to Sage, purchase orders, let's go and add a purchase order. Okay, regular stuff, pick your purchase, pick your supplier, pick your item. That's the one we want. Okay, prices as per last time. If that can be changed, it's irrelevant. And how many do we want? Let's say we want 7. Okay, so just bear this in mind, this is PO 36. So what we do now is we now go here, we're going to check our POs. It's actually checking with Sage instantly on screen open for new POs. There's a PO. We're going to open it. There's the 7 we've asked for at the pricing. We're going to put in our delivery note number, our invoice number, and we're going to say, yes, we've received 7. If we haven't received 7 or whatever, just put in the quantities and allow the system to notify you what needs to be done and anything else. Save and continue. You sure you want to save? Right, so now it's ready to receive those items. So now you can say receive and generate a GRN, because that will generate the GRN, effectively a GRN in Sage. So we have PO number 36. And we've got a sales invoice number 132. Okay, so let's go back to Sage. And let's go to supplier invoices. There's our sales invoice, our supply invoice, my apologies. There's our supply invoice as per how it was captured. Let's go to items. Remember, we had 20 in stock. We now have 27 in stock. And from an activity perspective, we will see that we have a supplier invoice, which denotes the 7 that were received. So it's as if it was captured in Sage itself. So in other words, all the background transactions, in other words, GL accounts, everything, all that sort of thing is all updated by Sage itself. So it's as if they sat and captured it here. Alright, just for confirmation, we're now going to go and check in our stock and data fusion. We now have 27 in stock. Okay, the last thing we can go and check is we can go to stock control and we can go to item movements to basically see the traceability of that item. Bike, no, that's the blue one. No. Bike made from kit. With an opening balance of 0 on that supply invoice, we received 20, and here on this supply invoice 132, one we just received, there's the 7 that we received. So it shows you that the whole system aligns and balances between the two platforms.